next example is y equal to modulus of x plus 3 minus modulus of x minus 2 plus x minus 3. So this one graph we have to draw. Okay, so how to draw graph? First thing we will find out critical point. Okay, so critical point. So what is critical point? Where inside modulus quantity is becoming 0. So there are two modulus are there. One is here and one is here. So for both we have to find out critical point. So for this one critical point what will come? X equal to minus 3. So one critical point will become x equal to minus 3, and this is becoming 0 at x equal to 2. So second critical point is coming x equal to 2. So there are two critical points coming, x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 2. Very simple is that. Okay, so what we will do? We will draw a number line. Okay, on number line we will draw two lines. One is x equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 is this line. This is x equal to minus 3, and other line we will draw x equal to 2. Okay, x equal to 2. See, here is given what? X. So there is no modulus. That means for that we are not finding any critical point because here modulus is not there. So this one will be as it is. Now there are three sections will come: first, second, third. So we are giving number first, second, third. So one by one we will discuss. In third section, what this side if you see, so here this is what till 2 to infinite. Okay, so in this side we can say x is what 2 to infinite. Okay, so here if I take x belongs to closed interval 2 to infinite. So any number between 2 to infinite if you take, then you check this quantity is positive or negative. That means inside quantity we have to check. Okay, so you can see in 2 to infinite we can say that x plus 3 is positive. So we can say here x plus 3 is greater than 0. Okay, similarly if you check x minus 2, so between 2 to infinite if you take any value, suppose you can take 3. So if I put here 3, so 3 minus 2 is what? 1. That means we can say inside quantity is positive. So we can say x minus 2 is also greater than 0. Okay, then what will happen? And here x equal to 2 also included as equal to 0 also possible. Then in this case what we can say, see this is also positive, this is also positive. So how to remove modulus? So this one here what will come? Y equal to, see this is positive, so we can add as it is x plus 3, then minus, okay, this minus is because of this minus. X minus 2 is what? Positive, so what will write? As it is x minus 2, and this is what? Plus x minus 3, plus x minus 3. So if we simplify this one, what will come? Y equal to, okay, this is what? X minus x getting cancelled. So what will come? X plus 3 minus 3 getting cancelled, and here will come minus of minus is what? Plus, so x plus 2 will come. So this side what will come? What is line will come? Y equal to x plus 5. Okay, so if x belongs to 2 to infinite, what graph will come? Y equal to x plus 2. Okay, so graph we will draw later. First we are finding function for everything. For first, second and third we are finding function. Okay, now if I take x belongs to minus 3 to 2. Okay, now in this interval we are taking, so what will happen here? Okay, so this one you check x plus 3. Okay, so if you take any value between minus 3 to 2, so you can check any value. Suppose you are taking minus 1, so if you put minus 1 here, so minus 1 plus 3, 2 will come. That means this is positive. So if we take any value between minus 3 to 2, that inside quantity is positive. So we can say x plus 3 is greater than 0. Okay, equal to 0 possible at x equal to minus 3. So we can take equal to 0 also possible. Okay, next x minus 2. Okay, so any value if you take minus 3 to 2, correct? So this one will come out negative. So we can say x minus 2 is what? Less than 0. Okay, you can take any value and you can check, or if you want directly also you can check. When it is negative, when x minus 2 is less than 0, that means x should be what? Less than 2. Okay, so here you can say x is what? Less than 2. If x is less than 2, we can say x minus 2 is what? Negative. So this is negative. Okay, at 2 equal to 0 possible. So here we are not including 2, and here we can include minus 3. So what function will come? Okay, y equal to, see this one is what? Positive, so as it is we will write x plus 3 minus this one x minus 2 is what? Negative. So if it is negative, so what will come? Inside quantity x minus 2 into minus 1. This minus 1 is because inside quantity is negative, so minus 1 we have to multiply here. Okay, plus x minus 3, so plus x minus 3. So what will come here? Y equal to, this is x plus 3 minus into minus 1. So what will come? Plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3. So y equal to what will come? X plus x plus x, 3x. Okay, 3 minus 3 getting cancelled, minus 2. So what will come? 3x minus 2. So y equal to what will come? 3x minus 2 in this interval 2. Okay, next in first section what will come? So in first section what will come? X is what? Less than minus 3. So it will be what? Minus infinity to minus 3. Okay, so in this section what will happen? This quantity is negative. X plus 3 is less than 0. And this one, x minus 2, this is also less than 0. Okay, if you want, you can take any value. Minus 3, less than minus 3, you can take minus 4. And you can check whether inside quantity is negative or positive. Okay, so both will come negative. Then what will happen? So y equal to, inside quantity is negative. So what will come here? X plus 3 into minus 1. Minus 1 because inside quantity is negative. Then minus, inside quantity is x minus 2 is negative. So what will come here? Inside quantity x minus 2 into minus 1. And this one is as it is because there is no modulus. So what will come? X minus 3. So plus x minus 3. This will come. So what will come here? Y equal to minus x minus 3. This is what? Minus 1 minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3. This will come. So here you can say minus x plus x getting cancelled. What will come here? Y equal to, this is x only, minus 3 minus 2 minus 3. So what will come here? Minus 3 into minus 5 minus 8. X minus 8 will come. Okay, so we can find out these three lines. Now if x is greater than 2, x is greater than 2 to infinite, so this line is coming. So what you will do? First thing, put 2 here. So 2 plus 2, what will come? Y equal to 4. So at x equal to 2, y is what? 4. So this value will come, y equal to 4. Okay, that means line will pass through 2, 4. And slope is what? Positive. Okay, slope is what? Positive. So it will make acute angle with positive x-axis because theta will be what? 45 degree. So it will not come downward, it will go above only, because if it is coming down, so what angle will come? Obtuse will come. So this line is not possible. This is your correct. It will go above. Now in this one we want line equation. Okay, so one thing is very important. See, this is line equation, y equal to 3x minus 2. Y equal to 3x minus 2. So if we put here 2, so what will come? 6 minus 2, that is 4 will come. That means this point only will come. And if I put minus 3 here, so what will come here? Y equal to minus 9 minus 2. So y equal to what will come? Minus 11. So suppose minus 11 will come here. So minus 3 comma minus 11, this point will come. Okay, so this line is passing through this point and this point. That means we have to join these 2 points. Okay, so this line will come. So this line is what? Y equal to 3x minus 2 is what? This line. Okay, and at this point we can say y is what? 0. Y is what? 0, because this line is what? This line is what? X-axis. So on x-axis y is what? 0. So at this point, this is what? Intersection point of x-axis and this line. So intersection with x-axis, that means here this point y is what? 0. So y equal to 0. So if I put y equal to 0, so what will come? 0 equal to 3x minus 2. So x value what will come? 2 by 3. So this point what will come? 2 by 3 comma 0. 2 by 3 comma 0. So at x equal to 2 by 3, y is what? 0. Okay, next in this section, what is the line equation? Y equal to x minus 8. Clear? So here if I put x equal to minus 3 here, so minus 3 minus 8, what will come? Minus 11. Okay, that means same point will come. That means this line will pass through minus 3 comma minus 11. Next thing is what? Here slope is what? Positive. Again, that means this line will make acute angle with positive x-axis. That means this line will go either above or below. Okay, so if it is going above, so with positive axis, what angle it will make? Obtuse will make. Correct? That means this line is going below. It is going below. And if you want very simple way is that you can take any point in this side. So this is what? Minus 3. So you can take minus 4. Okay, minus 4. Okay, so if I put x equal to minus 4 here, so what will come? Y equal to what? Minus 4 minus 8. So what will come here? Y equal to minus 12 at x equal to minus 4. That means minus 4 comma minus 12. That means we can say that this line y equal to x minus 8 will pass through minus 4 comma minus 12. Okay, so this is what? Minus 11 will be here. So that means minus 4 comma minus 12, it will come below only. So line will come like that only. So for finding line, what you can do, you can take one more point. So this is what x equal to 2. Okay, so one more point you can take x equal to 3. So with respect to 3, what point will come? So you put x equal to 3 here. So what will come? Y equal to what? 3 plus 2. What will come? Y equal to 5 will come. That means x equal to 3, y is what? 5. So what will come? 3 comma 5. So you can see this is what? 2 comma 4. So 4 will be here. That means 3 comma 5 will be above only. So 3 comma 5 will come what? Here. So this point is what? 3 comma 5. That means this line will go like that. Okay. So like that also we can draw the graph. Okay. Now here what is the range? So this is starting from minus infinite and it is going till infinite. So range is what? R. Range is R. And what is domain? Domain is also R, because it will start from minus infinite and it will go till infinite. So x-axis is what? X belongs to R. That is your domain. Okay.